Hi Aquarius, welcome back to your reading. This is going to be weekly right from 17th May till 23rd May, okay, 2021, though timeless readings. Sending you love all the way from India. Let's start with the reading and hold in because I don't know why it is coming for you. So maybe it is about not to return to the same area, okay, I feel. But there was a serpent with a big mouth from someone from that realm trying to give you or bring your attention to, or there's someone who is entering in your life. Now it depends what kind of person, what kind of energy is around you, what is your intuition telling you, what that person told you. Are they from your past abusive situations, or someone is here in front of you that is trying to tell you something? Because it's a big mouth, was like opening their big mouth. The serpent was opening, okay. I was not scared to see that. I mean, I was not afraid to see it. I was not even nervous when they opened their mouth, which basically is trying to say possible they are coming to tell you something. I don't see that they are going to, this is not the energy of like eating someone up, eating someone's energy up. Now, possible that this energy is coming from your past and you should not return to that criteria or pattern. But for some of you, this time frame might be about someone has to say something to you. This is a big mouth, okay? Or maybe someone is having a big mouth and they say something bad. Okay, they end up saying something. However, I feel this energy is about, you may also check by yourself, but for me, serpent is going that kind of energy. Just a big mouth. I could not even see the body, like no movement, nothing. It's just the mouth. Okay. They were not throwing any poison. They were not even biting. No, they were not doing anything like that. What they were trying to say, there may be a Capricorn devil energy. Maybe they're trying to tell you, you need to be aware. Possible they're saying you need to be aware. That's what I said in the whisper. So how they are going to give you the message? Someone has to say something with the 8 of Wands energy possible. Someone is having something to tell. This is also about the energy of like, you should not eat that apple. But I feel like love apple, love fruit is coming. This is something telling you that this could be a lure. I don't know. This is something that you should not get into, or you should get into. I mean, this is your decision, obviously. But the energy is very weird. It's not even telling me something like negative, but it is also telling that something is going to be there. Now here you go, I said so. Ace of Cups is the second last card. I'm going to go the way like third, fourth till they tell me. But you have someone who is having a big mouth or big things to tell you. Proposal, love feelings, or something is coming from someone, and I know that you know them. Why? Because this is a King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Someone is coming with this big opportunity here, or some offer towards you. Here you go. This is connected with your disappointment with this person, or someone is regretting losing you. Someone is regretting losing you. I feel that. Something that you should not go to, like a manipulator or someone who is going to convince you. No matter which deck I use, no matter what I do, there's always this heavy energy of water. Okay. It's also the rebirth. It's also the endings. It's also lure. It's also something that, you know, they're telling you, eat it, eat that apple, eat apple, eat apple. Okay. And you're like, I should. So maybe someone is enchanted by you, or you, like it's kind of hypnotism effect here. We're going to see. I feel like you're going to hear from them. There's a King of Cups energy. A very challenging situation though, okay? I cannot say, oh, it's a seed. No. It's something that you don't want that serpent to eat you. Okay, there may be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius as well. Possibly they have a collab, or you have. However, this situation is not that easy. I don't see, it's challenging. Okay, I'll be back. So this situation is challenging, as I said, because again you have Ace of uh, Pentacles energy, and I feel that someone is trying or will try to win over particular situation here, you or particular situation. We're going to see. Again, I said, so maybe an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or collab. There might be choice. You should eat that apple, you should go to that garden. It's like, I don't know. Does represent in some cultures or some things or some descriptions evil. But what is evil? Evil is our karma. Evil is also that kind of situation. Evil, devil. What they're trying to tell you, they're trying to tell you something. Whisper in the ear. Whisper in the ear. Scorpio might be death. You have Knight of Cups. This may be someone who does want to tell you something. Four of Pentacles. Okay, and in the reflection I do see it as Six of Pentacles. So I feel like someone is having something that they want to give you, they want to tell you, they want to show you. They're astonished and surprised to look at you. Again, someone does want to become emotionally very much close to you. If you know them, good. If you don't know, then again this person does want. Someone over here is holding very close something to their heart, like heart chakra if you talk about that, or just heart. And they are taking it way long, and they took it way long because something is over their head as well. Okay, they were in conflict with themselves. Like, should I make this move or shouldn't I make this move? With the Four of Pentacles, I feel yes. Nine of Wands energy. Someone is having doubts against the situation or person, but I feel like I don't know whether their return is for what purpose. They have to say something though. So some of you are done with something, so it's also rebirth. Like Serpent is a movement as well. It's in so many things, theories, stories, mythology, that you can read that stuff out. The Devil. I feel like someone possible from even past does want to reunite with you. Three of Cups. They once were your friend, or someone who was so confused and bringing up the matter. How you're going to deal with it. I'm going to use other deck as well to figure out what that Serpent is trying to tell you. I feel like if this is like the person who is in a conflict with themselves, it's in your now. Someone is afraid to lose you. Okay, whether they told you or not. I also feel like they had certain kind of mission in their mind, like I have to complete it, I have to do it, and now they're not getting that flame. Okay, a pause or something, or their own complexity, their own zone. I feel that someone is off, like emotionally, so it's like someone who is emotionally unavailable, or someone who is feeling way emotional and they cannot control their emotions. There's an emotional call, but it is off, possible from your side. Like something does want to cling to you, but you're like, I don't know whether the reality check is going to be that good or not with this person, because I don't know. Because Serpent is telling you, it's like your own. It's also some Kundalini and all that stuff as well. What we say, Kundalini, okay? It's like awakening kind of, or the words you want to talk or say or read. I'm not going to judge that. I'm not going to tell you that. But I feel with this, someone is feeling way emotional. The moon might be Piscean. There is a duality I see in the emotions of this person. Or this person is feeling way emotional now. I feel water from the ocean is coming in their bond, which is about their heart is getting awakened or cracked up. It's also possible the Serpent is trying to tell them something is being whispered in their ears, possible, and they're like, so this is like a crack up or wake up call from their own zone. Whatever was hidden, or whatever was never spoken is going to be coming up in the coming time. But they know that you are not emotionally available. So here's some energy I feel is not available that much. Maybe your intuition is working so hard here or so great that it's like you know what serpent is trying to tell you. So so there's attraction, I see. There is someone who cannot resist it. Okay, now this may be physical attraction. This is also some mental connection, you know. It's like the thread you don't see, but only you and the person will recognize or will see or will feel something that is between you and the person, and I cannot tell that it's there actually, but it is there. So whenever you end up talking, the connection goes that way. Okay, emotionally being off or emotionally unavailable, or that not that much. It's like 11:11 recording time. It's something connection like that. Oh, it's just water. Like, oh, it's just water. But how do you know whether it does have salt or sugar? Because you're not gonna see that, because it's going to dissolve. Okay, so maybe this person who is coming or want to say something on the situation is unleashing in front of you. It's just like, I don't know whether you have salt in your mouth or in your words or sugar in your mouth. Okay, so yeah, definitely it is something that is connected with the situation that you really want to take hold of or notice. Okay, all I can say right now that. Also, I just wanted to mention, I know it's been 12 minutes. I should have said that earlier actually. Thank you for donations and support to the channel, guys. I got from Gary, okay, $50, okay, and I keep getting amount, but they sent that so recently, so thank you so much for that. I need to mention it, okay, I have to, because it's so good. It's such a gesture from you. Thank you so much. If I was live, then I would have said there and then, but I'm not going live. My pattern is like this, like I'm old school kind of vibe, you know. Something that is like a gadget or something, it makes me feel like not too much time to that, and I feel like I have to leave that kind of. But anyways, I'll stay updated, and I try my level best. But then again, I don't know whether I should take the names and all or not, because I don't know whether the person will like it that much or not. But it's appreciated. I'm thankful. All I can say that. So I need someone is on the lookout here. So this may be a Virgo, but I feel someone is on the lookout. Someone is on the lookout for someone to behave, and to behave well in order to contact the other energy. I don't know. What are you trying to say? I'm still hearing heading towards you or the other energy. Here you go, 9 of Swords energy. There's a very, I said so, conflicted situation here. It's something, yes, stress and anxiety, or thinking about why they're contacting me. I feel like this is going to happen for some of you, many of you, I don't know. This energy is telling me that recording time 14:14, I feel a balance is required from both of you, but I feel this energy is saying that something may upset you or confuse you here. In the meantime, this is definitely emotions. Something that you will come to know. And it's like emotional argument with self or with the person. Oh, the serpent. It's protection possible. It's the fruit that they're trying to tell, don't eat, or someone is trying to say, don't think about anyone, I love you. Okay, so this can be pattern or Okay, I wanted to talk. I know this doesn't make sense here. I know, but I just wanted to talk that don't apply talc, guys. I know there are other things as well. It's not good for your skin. I'm telling you. Because I just mentioned something in one of my readings. Are you people having heavy breath or short breath kind of energy? Which does happen because of this. One of the main reasons, okay? It does go in all kinds of powders. So this may cause in long run sudden attack, short breath. It's very difficult, okay? So stop using talc. There are other substitutes. You may use it and you're going to still look flawless. Some people do, some people don't do makeup at all. So keep it simple actually, and just we are beautiful, right? Whether with that or whether with not with that. I feel like someone is coming to, they want to complete certain promise, I feel. Some of you might have that question, I don't want to feel that way, okay? I don't want to feel emotional for that person. So kind of like you're practicing, okay? Look, defenses up, push and pull, not letting the other energy seep in, not letting emotions come back to hit you, basically. Oh, did I say 10 of Swords? This is 9 of Swords. Sorry if I said that. I apologize. Because you have 10 of Swords on this. So maybe it's telling do not return. Because Serpent was telling you that. Actually, they were not arguing with you. They were just telling you something. Okay? They were just telling you take a little bit more time to acknowledge something or contemplate on something. Possible they were trying to tell you that. In this time frame. Why is 10 of Swords though? Someone is not accepting something here, you or the other energy. Not accepting and not being able to even move or make a decision. 6 of Swords energy. Unable to move away from something, okay? So that's why I said conflicting or confused state here. Okay, let's start now. I have a certain question right from my deck, and I'm going to start that. I feel like behave word is again coming, because while I'm channeling, words come and they go, okay? I just say that I don't remember, okay? Sometimes I remember. So behave word is coming. Possible you end up saying someone behave because they are being over or they are reacting to the situation, or they're trying to get something from you. This may be when I'm telling you the Serpent energy, they want to coil around you, possible. Like kind of energy, someone does want to talk something personal, or they want to talk physical, okay? And that you're saying like, behave, okay? Behave. Someone is giving you that signal. Signal with the S. Serpent with the S. Resisting. Someone is resisting for a long time here. I think they won't be able to. Look, this is connecting, missing you. Someone is missing you. And someone is trying to stop. No, I don't, but they do. So this may be your energy or there, and they're like astonished with the fact that you're not missing them, or however, someone might be feeling like, oh, I can't resist it. But they're trying. Resisting is to resist, basically. If you go with just specific word here. Oh my god. I talked about sugar and salt. Look, you have sugar and salt card. So it's like opposites, yes. Someone who is missing you and you don't know whether they have sugar this time in the mouth or in their words or in the actions, or salt. There may be a surprise call. Interesting, very interesting reading. I'm just impressed with the reading and with the fact that people are getting guidance, and that is what is making me more happy. Yes. Yes, it is making me. This is my passion, guys. Someone might be having with you the communication or had sugar and salt communication, but this doesn't make any sense. It's someone who is telling you that whether you people are sugar salt, whether you people talk like this, whatever goes, it's like always bumps here for some cases. Some of you are in marriage, wedding, some of you want to. It's like opposites. There's a deep chemistry as well for some cases. Very soon. So it's going to be something that is conflicting and confusing and decision, obviously, but something is off or doubtful, I feel, about the situation. However, every situation in our life, whether it's new or not, they are going to present doubts, and they're going to be like, oh, I can't trust that. Okay, totally, because everyone is a mystery here. Very soon something is here, I'm telling you. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Second card you have, let's see, codependency. So we talked about criteria or pattern here as well. So if this is something you need to decide about, this codependent relationship or a criteria or a pattern, what do you want? You want to be in their arms, you want to be within this connection or within this serpent's mouth like kind of energy. It's more of like something, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Addiction can go for anything, like addiction of consumption, addiction of anything. I'm more of like, I'm feeling like with the serpent, someone does want to coil up kind of, so possibly you had that kind of energy. Oh my god, it's like being physical as well, and you don't like it if you don't like it, like don't even touch my finger kind of energy. Don't you dare touch my finger kind of energy. I'm going to take Sibila here, this particular deck. I have a question with the serpent. You don't like what they do or what they did. You don't like. Merchant is here, and someone does need this consolation, as if like after returning they're searching you, but someone is looking out for you as well. However, I'm going to have the shuffle here. The gift card is here. I feel like someone is interested in giving you something, and you're like, do you feel that I'm going to just forget about everything in the past and you're going to give me a sweet smile or a gift? Do you feel the flower will solve all that happened in that particular season? No. I got that message. Journey. I feel like it's longer than even expected or you imagined, or this is someone who is a rider. This is someone who is shy at the same time having the journey, or this may be the person who is coming along. It's long. You know, the merchant was in the sea, like crossing. Now they're on the land. I don't know. I feel like the person possible is feeling that I don't know what it's going to be when I reach to that place, or when I will contact, because it's being long. This song is Sugar and Brownies, I suppose. You may listen to that. It's like love is not that simple, kind of, and we need to fight to make it shine, like, if I'm not wrong with the words, lyrics, but you may check. Sugar and Brownies, it's nice with the journey. Okay, I feel that kind of energy, and I also see like the bottom energy is thought. It's long time, and it is also the energy of like someone is in deep thoughts here. What should I do with this fact? Like, I feel if this is not your own individual journey, some of you might be going on a journey and shifting here, like packing and shifting or taking flights. I feel that for some, this is about they had to change their zones and change their even like a shapes to survive in a particular ambience, weather, area, so that they can come. Now this is them, okay. uh, Possible the serpent is trying to tell you that. Serpent is giving you the message, or this is their messenger, kind of. I'm having hiccups, don't mind. Young woman. So there's also competition, kind of, regarding this person. So however, this may be male or female energy, but the card is showing the young woman, so we need to do that. So male vibe possible is a serpent energy possible, and they know that someone is looking at you like this. I feel, how can I, how will I, like I've been working hard, still not there. Possible if this is a struggle, if this is a financial struggle, and one person is like this, if this is your energy, if, then it's like, to be honest, this young woman is not giving me any kind of energy of like, it doesn't matter, or arrogance. No, it's not there. It's just that, hello, welcome, but not that welcome. Do you understand? It's like not giving them a hard time basically, but it's also not the way it was, kind of. But I feel like this person, young woman or man in that case, is having so many interest matters here as well. So it's like they're not in a hurry, like you're not in a hurry to have any kind of decision or anything like that. I think there were so many cards, but they called me conversation. Something will happen here. Conversation is happening with the person, or they are reaching, and there are other energies as well. There's a conversation definitely happening. It's very calm, as if like people are listening to you, or this person does want to listen to you. I feel someone does stole your heart, or they want to steal your heart. The thief, sorry, thief, not the, but thief energy, okay. Someone is watching you, following you somewhere, possible just social media, I feel. How can we say, like in real time possible? Right now it's a pandemic and lockdown, obviously, practically, but it is also the energy of maybe someone is following you, or they followed you prior, okay. And now the point here is like someone is finding a way to enter in your life, kind of. I don't know how they're going to do. There's a thief after this young woman. There's a stalker kind of energy, or a watch. Someone is watching you. Oh, the serpent might be this. Okay, so there might be someone who is a serpent kind of energy, if it goes with the evil or something bad. There's also someone, other person who is coming around. They may look very simple, calm, but their aura is going to be making sense. So for some cases, okay. While having conversation, you need to figure out, I don't know whether you'll have two communications with two energies here in this time frame, and you will have to decide very soon. Yes, we took energies of like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We took energy of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or however I gave you the signs. This is also that. Someone who is so much interested in knowing what is happening with your life. I feel that kind of energy. Okay. I hope this is going to help you guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye. Take care.